Good morning, party people. Happy Friday. This week has gone by so fast. But it's supposed to warm up to 72 today, and it's gonna be sunny. Which honestly, that's like my perfect ideal temperature for me, personally. But, ooh, look at the macaws are in their nesting box. Anyways, we're gonna give the macaws their breakfast, which is some scrambled eggs, bird chicks, freeze-dried diet, and some eggshell for calcium. Okay. There you go, birdies. Enjoy your brekkie. Isn't it fun how they climb down? Hi. Just a little toe touch. Okay. Bye-bye, birdies. Have a good day. This is Rascal, the girl, and Rocker, the boy. All right, bye-bye. Have a good day. All right, next we're gonna pop over to the koi pond and feed them their breakfast. Which I did see Peyton this morning. She was in the filter box, so maybe we'll catch a glimpse of her. It's really best to see her during the day when it's sunny and you could see her basking, Carol basking. But anyways, here's some little koi food, which we'll put right here. And then the fish we'll put over there, just so Peyton has a better chance of getting it. Because this area has less water flow, because this kind of keeps the food in there and, so it doesn't get sucked up by the biofalls box, which is like the filter. Alrighty. And there the fishies are. The koi pond is truly so lovely. Alright. Next we're gonna let the chickies out. Oh, look at this. Next day koi sent us this. We'll feed the koi that later. But I love the container. Because normally when I buy it, it comes in like a bag. Oh, these darn squirrels, they keep coming in to eat the chicken food, which is so annoying. I need to figure out a way to keep them out. All right, chickies, come on. We got Leo, Machu, Sandy, Renee, Luis, and Rhonda girl. And then it looks like we've got little Miss Thelma girl up here. Hi, Thelma. Oh my gosh, no need to be skittish. Okay, she's not having me today. All right, Thelma, come on. She's probably going to be laying an egg soon. All right. And they're off. Let's just go check on the baby chicks quick. And then we'll get on with the day. Hi, little chickies. Are you guys chirping? It's always funny to me how long chicks chirp for. Like, it doesn't look like they'd be making that little chirp. Okay, stay in, little dudes. It'll be just soon enough before you guys could come out to free range. Oh, come on. I could really let them out for supervised free ranging, but they're so quick. And I'm trying a new approach with these chicks, which is not handling them as much as I did the last ones, so that they'll be a little more skittish. But as you can tell, they're obviously very still into me and like what I'm doing. So hoping that they will be a little more predator savvy and like run away from the dogs. You know what I mean? Because Thelma and Louise are that way. And like a predator is never catching them. They are so fast. It's like shocking. Because I got them as like, probably when they were 10 weeks old and they weren't handled that much. So I hope I'm going to do the same with these. All right. That's all we got, party people. Enjoy your Friday.